what we got there in the footer. In the footer we have some about us, contact us, Facebook, Twitter, privacy, and TNC. Let's see how we do it. Like, this was an assignment, like making the links, making the links, what you call list links as floating side by side. So let's go to the footer section and see. So inside the footer, it's a navigation here now. So navigations, as I told you, are always inside these guys. So again, li, and each li is again a link. A href equal to about us dot html. Let's say. So I'll say about us. Then I'll give a pipe symbol. Oops. So I'll just copy paste this. So about us is gone. Then contact us. Then there comes Facebook. So for Facebook, I'll give direct Facebook link. So I'll say http www.facebook.com/ it's a tutos live. So that's my about us. Okay, so Facebook, and let's say let me give a Twitter link too. So I say http www.twitter.com/tutos live. So this is Twitter, and then sort of terms and conditions. Let's say terms and conditions. So I'll just name it as tnc.html. So come back here, refresh, and go back here. Okay, now these guys are kind of stacked one after the other, so I don't want that. So what can I do is, like, inside the footer and to UL. Yesterday we have discussed about the grouping of what our selectors and nesting of selectors, in which we have talked about the space and comma. Okay, so if it's comma it's grouping, if it's space then it's called nesting. So here what I want is list style type. I'll say none. I'll refresh and see, yeah, it worked. Now dot footer ul li. So I'm nesting it 3 times now. Inside the footer find the ul, inside the ul find the li. Okay, then I'll say float, everything should be float left. Let's see. Now you see, now it has become a horizontal menu. I'll remove the last pipe symbol. It looks kind of hard over there. Where are you? So I'll refresh this. Any questions here? Okay, so there must be a space here. So instead of space, what I can really do is, like, go here, dot footer find ul, find li, find a, and say margin left, or let's say margin right. Let the margin right be 10 pixels, so that there will be a gap between each guy. Oops. Or we'll say margin left itself, because it has to be, there should be a distance between the pipe symbol and this guy, right? So this is the footer, and for the footer I want to do one more thing. For the footer, let's say border top, let that be 1 pixel solid. Oops, solid, and I want it to be black. Right, so that is my footer now. So I click on Facebook, it takes me to the Facebook. This is my Facebook page. Okay, and this is my Twitter page. Twitter's live now, I guess. Oops, I'm sorry. That's somebody else's. It's Twitter's live now. So yeah, that's how I can make a menu to be horizontal. Okay, this is our official Twitter page. Okay, so yeah, how does it look like? Any questions, suggestions? You guys can take it from there, and you can start your own styling. So you can do whatever you like to do. So this is done. This is like you can make a resume out of it. Like if you want to make a resume and say, hey, this is what I'm doing. So you can put a content, you can put your images over there, you can do whatever you want. Well, any questions here? Arun, you here? That's a basic layout. Like just go ahead and practice. See, I haven't done anything about this. Like it's just simple styling which we have learned in the previous classes. I did not even touch a new concept here. So with the old concepts, like we can, yeah. So this is it. This is how we can doing things. So you guys take it from there.